Hello again. Just thought I'd let you know that we have just left Home Depot. And there's a couple of things that I need to tell you that you should put in your prepper box that almost nobody talks about. The first thing, cockroach bombs. For cockroaches and fleas and bed bugs and all those kind of things. Almost nobody tells you about it, but when the world starts going upside down, don't you know critters will too? So my suggestion is buy a box that has 5 or 6 bombs and stick it back in your arsenal. They're only about $8 for the whole thing, for a whole box of 6 or so. So that would be a wise thing to do. Alright, we just got home, but I wanted to interrupt this video to let you know, if you like these kind of videos, click the like button, the little thumbs up, subscribe, and you'll get more of the kind of information. And in a moment or two, I'm going to tell you a secret. Bye. The next thing you want to get is a box that has at least 4 of those mouse traps that has the bait already in it. The mouse crawls in and you can just throw the whole thing away. That way you don't have to touch it, because when you can't have food and your neighbors don't have food, those mice won't have food either, and they're going to start coming into your place and raiding your stash, going in your cabinets, and eating all the root produce that you have in your garden. So you definitely want to put out mouse traps when the time comes. So buy some of those. Oh, it's time for a secret. And the secret this time is try to grow lemon balm all around your house. Cockroaches don't like them, and so you can use those around your house to deter the first signs of bugs. But it's also good for if you're going to be cooking fish, or making lemonade, or making a pretend lemon pie. It's really wonderful, and it's fresh in your garden, and you can grow it in the house, and you can have it year round. So there you go. Hope you had a wonderful day. Angels all around. Bye now.